Here is another educational session about drawing arcs and rectangles. Work here we learned about line, circle, and this session arcs and other create orders. In arc order we can see 3 sub branches here. By choosing the first, we can have arc by first and last point and one point on circumference. The second is for when we have a line, we can use this order to have an arc tangent line. At first we draw a line, for example here, use the escape button, choose the second order, arc tangent, and we have it. Also we can have this arc by giving dimensions. We choose again this point and we can see 2 options here, one for radius and another for degree. We use radius, for example 8, and use tab, and for example 35 degree. Okay, we can see arc, degree 35 and radius 8. Also we can choose this and change it 10 millimeters. Okay, for making it smaller 5. Okay, we can do everything that we need here. And the last one, we can have arc with center point. Here is center point and first and last point. Okay, you can also draw it by using tab and giving dimension. Arcs have many usages in industrial drawing, for example for fillets, and you should learn them well for better using. Another order is rectangle. At first let's delete these sketches by holding left click and use delete button. Okay, now the first order give us rectangle by 2 points. We choose it, first point and last point on diameter. We can see first point and last point, and also we can have it by giving dimension. Again click for the first point, and now we can choose length and width. Length, for example 10 millimeters and width 7 millimeters. Enter. Second sub branch give us rectangle by 3 points, 3 points on sides. For example 2 points on length and 1 point on width, or inverse 2 point width and 1 point length. Also we can have these 2 rectangles and other rectangles by dimension, by giving dimension, and by using tab. The third sub branch give us rectangle, center point, and the other point vertex. Okay, again we can have it by dimension, center and length 13 and width 8. Okay, it's very helpful for when we want to put this center, for example put it here. We can use rectangle by center point. But we should know one general rule, that in Autodesk Inventor the most useful order is at first, default at first, line, circle the most useful, arc the most useful, and rectangle this one. But in rectangle branch we can see also slots and polygon. We will explain them in future sessions. Okay, we said that we will explain Inventor from beginning to advanced. And you can support us by subscribing and turning on the notifications. Introduce our channel to your friends and comment us for better education. See you in next session. Help us, stay with us.